Hello and welcome back. Welcome back to another video. Hope this video finds you well. And in this video we're carrying on where we left off in the last video, where we built the circuit for measuring our reaction times. Now let me just show you. I have tidied up my circuit a bit, and let me just show you what I've done. Okay, to make extra room so I can get in to the buttons, what I've done, I've carried my 5 volts over to this rail here, okay, and the 5 volts for my buttons I've carried across to this 5 volt rail here. Okay, so that's what I've done. I've tidied up the cables, I've made them all color coordinated and stuff like that. Okay, so yeah, what we're going to do, the configuration for this. Now it's quite a lot of configuration, quite a lot. So I'll try and get through it as quick as I can. There we go. Hopefully you can see that. All right. Let's come down a bit. Go up to the top. Okay. We've got a lot of variables in this one. A lot of variables. So what we're going to do, first of all, we're going to set the pin numbers. Okay. And that's CONST, okay, integer, okay, and we're going to name our pins. So I'm going to name a button pin. I always put bumpy text 1, and that equals, we're on pin 4, semicolon. Don't forget your semicolon. All right, and what we got, 6, we got 5 of these. So what I'm going to do, okay, Control C, right, Control V, Control V, Control V, and Control V. Come back here, int, space, button, pin 2, space, and that's on a pin 2, semicolons, enter. Oh, not enter, coming down. Okay, button pin 3, okay, and we put that equal to 7 semicolons. Right, let's come down, space, pull my mouse is out of the way, LED pin. Okay, this is our first LED pin, number 1, space, and if you remember, equals, we put that on 8, semicolon, LED pin 2, oh, what's happened here? Space, LED pin 2 equals, and we put that on button 12. All right. Okay. So enter. We'll leave a bit of space there. What I want to do is, so we've got our lines in place. We should be on line 8. These variables, these next variables will change. All right, as we go through the program. All right, so it's int space LED state, capital S. All right, 1 equals low, capitals. Okay, semicolon. The current state of LED 1. All right, so we want that to start off low, and we'll enter. Int LED state 2, okay, equals, again, we want that low, semicolons, okay, and we want int button state 1, remember the capital S on the state. Okay, 1, semicolons, enter. The current reading from the input, that is, okay, that is the current reading from the input of pin 1. And we're going to do that for the other pins. So what I'm going to do, again, control copy, control V, paste, control V for paste. Come back up here and we want 2, 3. All right. Change that to 2. Change that to 3. All right. So that's that. And then I'm going to press enter, int. Last button state. Capital B on the button. Capital S on the state. All right. Last button state 1 equals capitals low, semicolon. Okay. And we're going to do the same again. Control copy, control C, enter, control V, enter, control V. Change our numbers. 2, 3. All right. So that's changed. That's the previous reading from the input pin 1, 2, and 3. The following variables are longer because the time. All right. Time measured is in milliseconds. All right. So let me just get to where I am on my notes. Okay, come to the end. All right. Unsigned long. This is a new, right? Unsigned long. Right. This is all new to me. Unsigned long. The last time the output. Let me just tell you what this all means. The last time the output pin was toggled. All right. Space. Last. Debounce. Time. Capital T on the time. Capital D on the debounce. Okay. Equals 0, semicolon. Enter. Okay, we need this unassigned long another twice. Control C. Control V. Control V. Go back up. Minimum random number. So this is going to give us our, when we start the test, it will light up a random number, the left number 1 or number 2. Okay, the left LED or the right LED. All right. So it's min random with a capital R and number with a capital N equals, and it's 2000. Semicolons and oh, not enter, down. Unassigned long, max random number. Okay, oh, didn't mean to put that in there. Equals that comma, and that's 5000. Okay, so that's set up our random numbers. Enter. Then it's unsigned long. Okay, rand. Hang on. Hang on. Let me just check this. Int. Unassigned long last bounce time equals 0. Long bounce delay 20,000. Debounce. Right, okay. Unassigned long. Debounce time. Okay, right, okay. Space, I missed a line. A long. Debounce delay. D, capital B, capital D for the delay. Okay. Debounce delay equals 20,000. Semicolon. Right. Then we come to our unassigned long. Unsigned long rand number, and it's a capital N on the number. Sorry about that, got a little bit confused there. Then it's minimum rand number 2000, maximum rand number. All right, and next unassigned long. Get rid of this. Sorry for the confusion. Time 1, comma, time 2, semicolon. Enter. All right. And then int. Button 3 pressed. And it's capital P on the pressed. Button 3 pressed equals space equals low. Okay, semicolons. So what that's saying, button 3, because it starts the test. If it's low, nothing happens. All right. And next is int. Print count. All small case equals 0, semicolon. So basically what that's saying is saying if button 3 is not pressed, don't do anything. All right. Int. Print count. Let me just see where I am. I'd say it's a long print count. Int. Okay. Int. Take. Reading. Capital R on the reading. Equals low. Semicolons. Enter. Enter. The following variables help in reading buttons pins. Okay, so that's int reading 1, comma, int reading 2, semicolon. sorry, semicolon, semicolon, int, reading 3, semicolon. Following variables help in reading the buttons. Okay. Oh, saw a typo there. G. Okay. Come down a bit. Int. Odd number. Capital N on the number. All right. Semicolon. Int. Even number. Again. Capital N on the number. Semicolon. Okay. Right. I know that's a lot of variables. A lot of variables. Right. Just checking we got all of our semicolons in the right place. We now need to go to our void setup. Okay, our void setup. And that's in between this curly bracket and this curly bracket. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get rid of this. We know now that the void setup is for things that only happen once. So first things is our good old pin modes. All right. And it's button pin. And we know that's an input, all capitals. Yeah. Come outside the curly bracket, semicolon, enter. Pin mode. Brackets on. Sorry, that's pin mode. Button pin 1. All right. Button pin 2. Comma. Input. Okay, come outside the brackets, semicolon. Pin mode. Brackets on. Button pin 3. Comma space. Input. Come outside the brackets, semicolons, enter. And now we need our LED pins. Sorry, pin mode. Brackets on. LED pin 1. And that is an output, of course it is. Oop, what happened there? Sorry. LED pin 1, output. Come outside the brackets, semicolon. Pin mode. Brackets on. LED pin 2. Comma. And that's again an output, all capitals. All right, come outside the bracket, semicolon, enter. Now we need to do, we want to start our serial communication. Serial dot begin. Brackets on. And we want 9600. Remembering, baud rate's got to be the same in your configuration as well as on the serial monitor. Semicolon. All right. Enter. Then we got a couple of digital writes. Set initial LED state, okay? Capital W on the right. Brackets on. Makes it a function. LED pin 1. Okay, comma, LED state 1. Come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. Digital, right, brackets on, LED pin 2, comma, LED state, capital S on the state, 2. Come outside the brackets, semicolon. All right, let's come down a bit. Now we want it to be a random speed. Okay, we want it to be a random speed. Okay. Random seed. Right, we want it to be random. What's going on here? Sorry, enter. Random seed. Capital S on the seed. Brackets on. Changes colour. Everybody's happy. Analog. Read. Capital R on the read. Okay. Brackets on. 0. Brackets off. Brackets off. Semicolon. Okay. That's our void setup done. Now what I'm thinking of doing, this has been going on quite a long time. I think we'll split this up into 2 as well. So we're going to have 3 parts of this video series, okay? Circuit part 1, okay? Because what it is, it's going on a bit. We'll split them up. I'm going to be releasing them at the same time anyway, okay? So thanks for watching. So don't forget to get your kits from the link below, all right, to Sunfounder. And I'll see you in the second part of this video where we'll finish off with the void loop. See you soon. Bye-bye.